Relationship between Eisenhower and Khrushchev. The leaders pursued a quiet policy of coexistence even though they remained ideologically opposed. Pressure on Eisenhower. Eisenhower especially was under pressure from American military leaders to build up the USA's reserves of nuclear weapons. Missile gap. The fear of U.S. government officials in the late 1950s and 1960s. They feared Soviet development and thought production of missile technology had overtaken America's. Spy missions. The USA wanted to spy on the Soviets to discover evidence of building missiles. Eisenhower agreed to the spy missions because he believed it would show that the missile gap did not exist. Summit. A meeting between nations or politicians where issues and problems are discussed. Paris Summit. Meeting planned in May 1960 in Paris between Eisenhower and Khrushchev. Aims of Paris Summit. Eisenhower and Khrushchev were going to discuss nuclear weapons and the need for a test ban treaty. Berlin and the refugee problem and Cuba and the recent revolution in Cuba had created a communist government. Spy plane shot down. Just 13 days before the summit, on May 1, 1960, an American U-2 spy plane piloted by Gary Powers was shot down over the USSR. U-2 incident. The USA said the U-2 spy plane was a weather monitoring plane that had lost its way. However, the film that the Soviets retrieved from the plane indicated that the US had been on a spy mission. Khrushchev walked out. President Eisenhower arrived in Paris for the summit meeting. Khrushchev demanded he apologize for the mission, and Eisenhower refused and Khrushchev walked out. Fail of the Paris Summit. The Paris Summit ended in failure. Relationship after the Paris Summit. The relationship between the USA and USSR deteriorated further, heightening Cold War tensions.